Good morning, my dear students. Class today we are going to do the second and the last part of SQL. Lot to do in this, but these are not new topics you have already done, but little bit specification you will learn in this chapter. So, class here we are going to learn ordering result by order by clause, as we have done in revision tour also. Order by is uh, used to arrange your data in in ascending or descending order. So class, you can see this table. As according to this table we are going to arrange the data. So class, there are two keywords. ASC is for ascending and DESC for descending, and by default it is ASC. If you are not writing ASC, then by default it is coming in ascending order. You can say in alphabetic order, or you can say in increasing order. In marks, increasing order. In names, it is, you can say, uh, capital A to Z. So class, this is the table, and as according to this table they have used one query. This is the query: select star from data, order by marks. So class, you can see this marks, they are arranged in a particular order. They have not written ASC because by default it is ascending. If you are writing ASC also, that's not a problem. So class, next is ordering data on multiple columns. So class, there is a example they have formed, that in the same table, they have written select star from data, ordering by section ascending and marks descending. So class, you see this, first of all they will specify all A's together, and according to this is arranged. According to this is arranged in order. So class, you can see that this is in descending order and this is all A. If you will give this also in ascending order, that can also be done, that's not a problem. Similarly, if you see this B, in B also all B's are arranged together and all marks are arranged together of B in in descending order. Similarly for C, all marks are arranged in descending order. So 2 we can give two specification. As you can see this 2 specification is given, and as accordingly it is being arranged. So class, your next topic to study is, again they have set one more example. In this example, what they have done a new thing, that is the only 35% of the mark should come. So it is arranged. Now the thing is, again they have used two specification. One is the section, another is the marks. So this marks is coming as according to the section A, student, descending order their marks, section B, descending order their marks, and section C, a single was there, so as according to that it is coming. So class, you see this. Next is ordering data on the basis of expression. So class, see nothing new in this. They have given 35% of marks as term 1. So here they have written term 1. So the term 1 is coming, and there in previous example it was written 35 marks multiply 0.5, and as accordingly, as you can see this, plus here you can see this, they have written this, and here in next example it is given as term. the column name is given as term, so here they are not writing marks 35% of marks, they are writing directly term 1. So that's the thing, same result is coming, that's not a problem. Next is specifying custom order. So class, considering this, now they will use the custom order. How they will use? Class, see this line, see this line, filled. Filled is the keyword use, and what is the filled? The first they will take it as filled, that is this, and they are arranged as according to evaluated, then pending, then submitted, then assigned. So you can decide your own order also. It is not like always assigning or descending. You can assign your own orders also. So that is the thing they are teaching here. It is not in a alphabetic order, P, E, P, S and A. It is not in alphabetic order, still order is maintained as according to the requirement. Now class, your next is aggregate functions. So in this many groups are there that you are going to study. So class, for that they have considered one table. This one is the table. Now the first thing is average. How to implement the average? For that they have written average, distinct, or all, and n. So how they have implemented? You can see that here they have written average of the salary as average. This is the name of the column that you want to give. If you will not give, it will come average salary only. It will come as average salary only. So finally average is maintained, and this is the result. So let's go with more. Next is your count also distinct and all. So in this for all we can use star also. Now you can see that it is coming as total. And what is the total? This total records, how many records are there, how many records are there. So overall in that table there was 14 records, so it is coming as 14. Similarly, some examples are set, you can do this. Next is the maximum. You can get the maximum and minimum also. Who is getting the maximum salary in that table? Who is getting the minimum? Now here the date is minimum date. Now your next is the sum function. We can get the total also of particular, they want to get the total salary. So finally this we have got. Now these are some examples. So class, till here you have to do, and next part we will continue. That's all. I will send you the pages till here also. That's all class.